Hey guys, welcome to this week's OMG Tuesday. I have such a fun video planned for you guys. We're gonna be doing a really cool outing. It's gonna be testing a crazy product that I saw on Instagram and going out and about and getting some crazy deals at the drugstore. I'm gonna mix in like a little bit of a Madness Monday element because, I went shopping last night and I didn't have the time to really work the deals, you know? But I have all of these coupons and majority are for makeup and I was like, dang. We need to go and see if we can score some free makeup. I used to do that all of the time. It was like my thing. It is what I filmed every week for my channel and I don't know, I kind of feel like I want to go and do that. Anyway, we are gonna get ready together first and test out this little gem right here. If you have seen this on Instagram, it looks really beautiful. I love that they have actual shadows and glitter because you guys remember I tried out that crazy, all glitter palette and I really liked it. I kept it when I did my edit. I was like, ooh, we're keeping this one. I've never tried this brand and I don't even know how to say it. And you guys, I'm having a little bit of an issue like from hearing so many of you make fun of me mispronouncing words that I should know, but to be honest, like when you're reading, like especially the bottom of a lipstick tube, it is so hard to even like read it. And then usually companies will do like a play on words and then I say it wrong and I go to edit and I'm like, wow, ultimate doyoyoy moment. You need to just like check yourself. Anyway, this is Delance. I don't know. This was looking good to me. It's $23.99. This one right here. And then this big bad boy right here is also $23.99. This is a better value. What's so special about this one? I'm not sure. The reviews online are really good. Everybody's like, they are buttery. They are the best. A lot of people are comparing them to Morphe shadows. Really? No, that's not a Morphe shadow. Okay, the golden one is not bad right here. The other thing that I noticed sitting down and actually looking at this smaller palette, I was kind of like reading the names and sometimes the names are really funny. I mean, they have Kissy Face and they have Flaming Kisses. They have Utopia. Wow, wait, I feel like a lot of these are Makeup Geek names. Wait just a second. I'm gonna feel like I'm cheating on Makeup Geek. Oh my goodness. We are gonna get started. I'm gonna go into the bigger palette. I think I'm gonna kind of try both, but I will be sure to swatch everything for you guys because obviously I can't wear all of these colors. So we're gonna go into Moonlight and start there. I'm taking a larger fluffy brush and we're just going to pat this on the lid as our base. Some people said that this reminded them of a dupe for the Jaclyn Hill palette. I mean, I see some of the similar colors, but not all of them. That's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my favorite fluffy brush at the moment. This is from IT Cosmetics. It is the Effortless Crease, and I am going to go into Peach Smoothie. And I'm just going to go back and forth, back and forth. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna keep building, and then we're gonna get to more fun on the lid. Okay, since that did nothing, the next best color that I can see in here to use in the crease is going to be Memories. You can't really pick up a lot. Where in the hell is the pigment? Are you kidding me? Are you joking me? Stop. Okay, I am like thoroughly coating this. And like nothing is coming off. That is so strange. All right, I guess we'll go darker. I'm gonna go into Cocoa Bear in the smaller palette. Ooh, that has a lot of dust. Okay, this is gonna be more pigmented. I can feel it. Little bit, not a lot. Oh man, you guys, I already don't like this. This is annoying. I'm gonna go into, this is just really warm. I'm gonna go into Cocoa here. I feel like for the amount of time that I've been blending, I should have more eyeshadow on my eyes. This is kind of strange. I'm gonna go for it and just like, I wanted there to be some definition in the crease because I am gonna go in with some of this glitter. So I'm gonna go into Silence. These are just very firm. You see like there's nothing really dusting off and we're just gonna see what happens. Wow, even that is not like that crazy. Maybe if you're a beginner at makeup and you just don't want a lot of pigment and you want a slow build, you might enjoy this, but for me, this is just a little too much of a slow build. I mean, this is taking too much time. I really wish there was an even darker shade in here because I don't know that I want to just go right into black, but that's really my only option unless I want to go into this one, Senorita. Maybe I do that. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go into the black and just pray to God. Because I just want some extra little something right in here. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Not even that is showing up. What? All right, kind of pretty, took forever. Honestly, you guys, I know I'm gonna chop this up and it's gonna look like it took me no time at all, but I was blending so much that I feel like my wrist hurts. All right, so before I just pile on the glitter, I do wanna go into Ember right here, and I am going to take a MAC 242. I am going to give it a good old spritz, and this is going to go all over the lid. That's pretty. I'm gonna take the Beauty Bakery glitter glue. This is actually a really nice one. I'm just gonna put it on my fingertip first, tap this on the lid, and then I am gonna go into Nocturne right up here. Pretty, but it's not as like bright as I thought it would be. All right, I'm gonna pop on a little bit of liner, and I have really been enjoying the Pat McGrath liner. This one and the Smashbox one are my favorites. This stays on really nicely. I really wish I knew what lashes these are because I really like them. I found them in my bathroom in a drawer and I was like, those look really nice. And I am just like the worst with lashes. It's like my new thing that I need to work on is actually taking them off and putting them back in the actual box that they originated from so that I know what they are. So you guys, if you are looking at my lashes, I have no idea, but they're cute, right? And they frame this whole look really nicely. So everything came together. I did go back into this palette and I will show you. I took this color right up here, Maple Red, and I put that right on the outer, almost connecting up. And I think that looks really, really nice. And then I took the purple and I tried to pull it in, but you guys, these just are not very pigmented. I was able to create a really nice look, I think, but it took forever. And really, I would just get any other glitter and the peach palette that I reviewed recently for $11.99 and it would be better. That's kind of where I'm at. Also, P.S. what's on my lips right now is this combo from Huda. I have the Bombshell lip liner. From Incredible, I am wearing Matte My Day and Hustle Hard Girl. And then I'm like full glitter right now, so I'm wearing the Pixie Chloe Morello collab. This is beautiful. This is the lip icing in Cake. My eyes are kind of burning, which is a little bit alarming. And I don't know, we're just gonna kind of see how the day goes. I'm gonna try and wear this as long as I can. I'm gonna see if there's fallout, how the glitter does, and all of that, but also we are gonna shop for more makeup. Ooh, yes, CVS lighting right storefront. It's doing me some favors right now, but you guys, the makeup is actually pretty good. It took me ages to get this on my eyes. I have swatched everything in both palettes by now, and it's really weird because some of them swatch so beautifully and others there's like no pigment. So this is just kind of in a weird day for makeup, a weird thing to try out, but fear not because we are at the drugstore and I have coupons in my back pocket and we're gonna do a little bit of a Madness Monday style outing, and I've even brought along James. He's so excited. He's super excited.
It's not Monday.
Oh shoot. Wait, when am I posting this?
I don't know.
It's Madness Tuesday.
What you got there, Tati? That's a lot of coupons.
Give it to me. So my trainer, Rebecca, I'm gonna force her to watch this actually because we were talking this morning about this foundation and I turned her on to it and she really, really likes it. But she needs a darker shade and I'm like, please just go to the drugstore and buy it. And she's like, I can't find it in the drugstore. And I'm like, you can find this everywhere you go. What are you talking about? So I'm gonna actually buy her some foundation and show you guys how to work out a good deal. So this is $8.99. We need to spend $10 to get $5 back.
Hey, look, they got single shadows for $1.49.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. This is a great single shadow. I'm gonna pass this along to my trainer as well, and I'm going to purchase all of this for $6, and I'm gonna get $5 back in rewards, essentially making me spend $1 on this transaction. That's how you do it. All right, you guys, I need to remove the makeup. I have popped a lash. It's like past 11 o'clock at night now, and the makeup needs to be done for the day, but I kept this on as long as I could. And I'm surprised that it's not like creasing or doing anything super crazy. It wore really well, actually, considering how much of a struggle I had getting this product on, because some of them just really do not have any pigment at all. Some are good, some are not good. For 24 bucks, I think you can do better. I just do. I think BH Cosmetics, Morphe, drugstore, and I'm so happy that I got to show you guys some deals at the drugstore and kind of how to work the buy one get one half off and mixing coupons and all of that. I need to do another Madness Monday, like a full on one very, very soon. Thumbs up this video if you want that to happen. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, whatever you are doing. If you like this video, like the video, make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss videos like tomorrow's, which I am just like, I'm so excited for you guys to see this because it's been such just a labor of love and love of makeup. I'm posting part 2 of the makeup decluttering makeup room makeover, and yeah, I had like 3 GoPros going, professionals coming over, pulling all the makeup out, and it's really, really good. So I hope you guys come back tomorrow for that, and she needs to go to bed. So good night, I love you guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.